If your system looks like this, we can help. Legacy wiring is an issue engineers face every day. Troubleshooting and maintaining these systems costs money and costs you valuable time. Here at UEI, we build hardware that will simplify your application by reducing the need for complex wiring. For starters, our versatile, channel-dense I/O boards can handle vast amounts of input and output, as well as export that data through a single Ethernet cable. And UEI chassis are designed to withstand harsh environments and rugged requirements. And they are so compact, they can be embedded directly in your application or near the device under test. UEI products come with an industry-leading 3-year warranty and 10-year availability guarantee. So, don't let legacy issues hold you back. UEI is here to help.